Parajumbles and Paracompletion Workshop. Let's talk about Paracompletion rules. Paracompletion is an exercise of continuing the flow of a given paragraph. The idea is to identify the next immediate link, whereas sentence deletion is an exercise of filling up the missing part of the paragraph. We have 6 rules for paracompletion. Let's go through each of the rules in detail. Rule 1. The chosen option should not change the tone of the paragraph. For example, if the author or the paragraph is praising someone, the option should not criticize it. Rule 2. The chosen option should not change the scope of discussion. Scope indicates the limits of the discussion in terms of theme and subject. For example, if the paragraph is talking about money in cricket, the option should not talk about money in football. Rule 3. The chosen option should not change the scale of discussion. Scale implies magnitude, size, or bandwidth. For example, if the paragraph is talking about a pillow fight between two sisters, the option should not talk about World War II. Let's see a sample question. Given below is a paragraph which talks about diversity management, we have to choose the correct option to complete the paragraph. We can see that the paragraph talks about diversity management and its various dimensions. Hence, option A and D can be easily ruled out since they do not talk about the various dimensions of diversity management. Between B and C, we can see that option C changes the tone of the paragraph. It talks about race and which is correct and which is wrong, which is not what is highlighted in the paragraph. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Rule 4. Completion versus conclusion. A conclusion indicates the final outcome, result, or consequence of a given paragraph. A completion becomes a conclusion if options start with concluding phrases, words like as a result, etc. Rule 5. Completion versus summarization. Summarization is an exercise to find out the central idea of the paragraph. The chosen option should have the maximum overlap with the given paragraph. Completion becomes summarization when the options start with phrases like to sum up, in a nutshell, etc. Rule 6. Completion versus inference. An inference is a logical derivation. It is derived from in between sentences. It is a type of indirect conclusion but not necessarily the final outcome of the paragraph. Words like derive, infer, etc. indicate that we need to find an inference. Let us now see a sample question in order to conclude the presentation. We can see that 3 out of the given sentences form a logical connected paragraph and we have to choose the odd one out. From the sentences, we can see that options A, C, and D are talking about Ranchi and the weather in Ranchi when they played cricket, whereas option B is talking about the match that it did not go well for them as they would have expected. Hence, option B is the odd one out. Thank you.